Hey everyone, let's talk about how to fix Meetup app attendance problem. So to fix a Meetup attendance problem, it depends on whether it is a technical glitch or a community engagement issue. For technical issue, try switching the platforms first. Edit your RSVP or manage attendance via the desktop version of the Meetup site as browsers and app versions often sync differently. You can also clear your mobile data. Just completely uninstall the Meetup app and then wait for a few minutes and then reinstall the latest version from your device's app store to resolve caching issues. Now, the next what you can do is contact the support if the platform experiences persistent errors. Submit a detailed ticket through the Meetup support form. Now, for low turnout or no-show problems in your group, make your expectation clear in the group description. If a member repeatedly RSVPs but does not show up without changing their status, remove them from the group. You can also use the app's QR code check-in feature at the event to log actual attendance and build an accurate history of who shows up. Now use the waitlist. Activate an attendee limit if your event has high RSVP rates but low show rates. This encourages those truly committed to claim spots. Now send the reminders. You can also send the reminders, engage attendees by sending event announcement messages a day or two in advance to reduce forgotten commitments. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.